This is the Mountfield 534WSQEB. This is a 51cm or 20-inch cut machine. It's powered by a very powerful Briggs & Stratton 163cc overhead valve engine. It's a 4-stroke engine, so all it requires is straight unleaded fuel. This engine's got a great feature, it's called InStart. So rather than having a pull cord, it has a lithium-ion battery on top of the machine and a start button at the top. All you have to do is press the button and away you go. This Briggs & Stratton engine features the InStart system. This is a great little system, very simple and easy to use. On top of the machine, you can see we have this battery just here. It's removable for charging, and a fully charged battery should give between 75 and 100 starts. The machine also comes with a mulching kit or mulching plug. The mulching plug simply fits straight into the back of the machine, like so. Drop the grass flat down. Now what it's doing is cutting the grass, dropping it back down onto the ground and giving you a collected finish, but without collecting the grass. And finally, we have a side discharge option. So this is a side discharge chute. And this is a side discharge flap. If we pull up the flap, locate the chute, and it's held in place by the grass flap. Now, the grass is being thrown to the side of the machine. We have this anti-scalp plate at the front of the machine. When you're using the machine on very low settings, it prevents the machine from scalping out and creating bulb patches on uneven lawns. We also have these fins in the anti-scalp plate. This lets the air come through from the front of the machine, and it helps improve the collection of the grass into the grass bag.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has 2 years manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by the ServiceLink helpline and over 600 ServiceLink approved dealers across the UK and Ireland. These ServiceLink dealers will happily carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.